What's up, people? This is me from Itarox, and I'm here to show you my nail polish. I don't have so much, but they're pretty colors. So, here's the first one I want to show you. Here are all of them. I have over 70. So, first one's darkish bluish. It looks black, but it's not. It's a very cool color, trust me. Another color I'm going to show you. It's the color that you use to make French with. And then you put the white. You can't see so good because my camera shows orange. Here you go. This is like a clear, clear crystal color. Here's my color. It's really rare because I mixed it. It's really light purple. You can't see so good. I mixed it white, blue, and a little bit, white, blue, and a little bit black. So brown by accident. So it's really like a nice purple. You can't see so good. The next color I want to show you is this. This is the color they use for French because it's much more lighter, much more clear. This is glitter. So sparkles. It's gray with sparkles. The other colors I want to show you are right here. Next color is just a light pink. I couldn't open it, so I barely can use it. It's a very light pink. It's very nice. My favorite one out of all these. Next one is this hot pink. Super hot. It's a hot pink, but you can't see it so well. Now, the next one I want to show you is this. It's dark purple. I'll show you that right now. It's dark purple, something like that. You can't see so good because, I told you already, my camera is... Now, next three I want to show you are very cool. This one's just pink, like a French one. Next one is orange. It's from Funded. It's Nerds nail polish. It's orange and green, but they smell really bad. They're smelly, but they smell really bad. This one smells like nail polish mixed with toilet water. I'm just saying. And this one smells even grosser. Oh, shit, it smells. Now, the last two I'm going to show you is this. It's just like that. Pink, my favorite color. That color that I showed you, it's just pink. It's nothing. It's boring, this color. Now this is my second favorite color. It's like a very, very special purple. Can you see in there? I'll do it on my sticker and show you. It's very light. It looks very nice in real life, but you can't see it because my camera. Now, I hope you see the next video of the rest of my nail polish colors. Bye.